let's try to understand the difference between traditional server versus cloud virtual machine versus serverless. And to understand this, we are going to use a practical scenario. Let's say every day, dinner party at your home, number of guests could be between 1 to 20, no one RSVPs. So basically, you do not know how many people are coming each day. So how do you tackle this scenario with traditional server kind of solution, cloud virtual machine kind of solution, and serverless kind of solution? So traditional server in your data center kind of solution would be, you own the kitchen, you spend money buying all the appliances in that kitchen, you pay for the electricity used in the kitchen, and you make food for 20 people every day. This leads to a lot of wasted food because not every day 20 people are going to show up at your place. So how would this look like for a cloud virtual machine kind of scenario? So with this, you do not own a kitchen. So that means you do not have to spend money buying appliance. You do not pay for the electricity used in the kitchen. Instead, you get food from a takeout place who delivers instantly. However, takeout place only delivers food exactly for 5 people at a time. So you can order food from this takeout place, but you have to order in the block of 5. So let's say 3 people show up. You put one order to this takeout place and they deliver food for 5 people and you waste food for 2 people, right? Because only 3 people showed up. So similarly, if 7 people showed up, you place 2 orders, each order is for 5 people, so you get food for 10 people, so there is still some waste. So this is better than traditional data center, but still little wasteful. So how would this look with serverless? So with serverless, you do not own the kitchen or you do not spend money buying any appliance and you do not pay for electricity bill similar to EC2. And you get food from a takeout place who delivers instantly. However, this takeout place accepts order for any number of people. So you simply put order for the exact number of people that showed up in your house and there is no waste. So this is the best cost optimized solution. Now let's translate that scenario into your IT application. Every day, traffic hits your website and you don't know how much traffic going to hit each day. So how will you solve this with traditional server in your data center? You own the data center building, you spend money buying every server, you pay for the cost of data center, for example, electricity, air conditioning, etc. And you buy enough servers to accommodate for huge traffic. So there is a lot of wasted dollar. With EC2, you do not own the data center, you provision EC2. However, each EC2 comes with fixed processing power and memory. Sometimes, traffic could be less than EC2 capacity. If EC2 reaches capacity or a certain threshold, you add another EC2 via auto-scaling group, but with fixed predetermined capacity. So let's dive deep onto this because this is an important point to understand. So let's say you are running EC2 and you provisioned this auto-scaling group and some traffic is coming in and the CPU utilization for this EC2 is, let's say, 30%. So now the traffic increased, so the CPU utilization became 60%. And you set the auto-scaling that if CPU utilization hits 60% or more, you're gonna spin up another EC2. So you spin up another EC2 and then the traffic increased. So the CPU utilization for this EC2 is 30%. Now note that for this EC2, utilization is 30%, but cost is still 100%. You pay the same amount whether you are using the EC2 0%, 10%, or 100%. So going back to our comparison chart, now let's take a look at serverless service. So with serverless, you do not own the data center, you utilize serverless services, and if more traffic hits, it auto-scales automatically. and you pay for the number of executions rather than idle resources. So let's say you deployed your code in AWS Lambda and some traffic is coming in, and then traffic increased. This AWS Lambda will automatically scale up and create another copy of the code. Note that there is no auto-scaling group here. You did not have to set up an auto-scaling group for this. This happens out of the box. Then traffic increases again. Another AWS Lambda instance spawns up with your code and handles the traffic. And in this case, you pay for what you use. So you exactly pay for 3 invocations. That's why it is the best cost-optimized solution. Alright guys and girls, that is the video. If you like this video, please click the like button, smash it if that's something you are into, subscribe. Also let me know if you have any questions on those steps that we went through or any suggestion for my future videos. Alright, that's it for this time. I'll see you guys and girls in the next video. Bye.